how to make the handles of this bag, of the bag. And this is a video that continues with another video of this bag. For those of you who want to make this bag, I have a video. At the end of this video you will find a link. And we'll go now. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these handles. I'm going to show you how to make these here, and I'm going to show you how to make also the handles. Hope you understand what I am doing and that you try it. So up here it's ready. Here, as you can see, the edges are ready. Now I made these. I'm going to show you how to make the straps where you put the handles. When you put the handles, I added this one, these. I'm going to show you how to make these. I used the Tunisian crochet. So I made 6 chains. You have to make 6 chains. For those who don't know how to make the Tunisian crochet, I have a video. You go on the second chain and you pull up a stitch. You go on the next one and you pull up a stitch. On the next chain you pull up a stitch. On the next chain you pull up a stitch. You go on the last one, you pull up a stitch. Then the next row you slip the first stitch, you slip only 1. Then you slip 2 together all the time. You slip 2 together all the time. Only the first one you slip 1, then you slip 2 together. Now we're going to start the next row. We go here where we have this here and we pull up a stitch. We go in the next one here and you pull up a stitch. In the next one you pull up a stitch. And the next one pull up a stitch. You go here in the last chain and you pull up a stitch. Then the same. The first one only 1, and then you pull out 2 together. And you continue making these 2 rows that I showed you. You go here, you pull up a stitch all the row, and then you slip. The first one you slip. This is the last one. The first one you slip 1, and then you slip 2 together all the time. And like this, when you count here, you have 1, 2, 3. You have to make 9. So 1, 2, 3. You have another 6 to make. You have to have 9. The 9 rows are ready, as you can see. Now I'm going to put this. I'm going to put it over here like this. I close it. And I'm going to close it. I'm going to put this a little bit here, then I cut it. Come it from here. And I close it with a single crochet. All around with a single crochet. Or double crochet, how you call it. Not everyone says single crochet. Until you close it all. Now I'm going to go here where I'm going to attach it. I'm going to attach it to this one. This is the right side, as you can see, and I'm going to attach it from here to here, and I do a single crochet. Go to the second one, to the third one. I'm attaching it with a single crochet. Then I turn it around and I do another row so it is more stronger, it comes strong. And that is how it is attached. And that is how it comes attached. As you can see, you can turn it around, this one, depends how you want to make. And it is attached like the other one. That is how you attach it. I'm going to show you how to make the handles of this bag. As you can see, these are very resistant. I will show you what I did. I used the Tunisian crochet. I'm going to use the Tunisian crochet for these. I will show you how to make them. You start by making the chains. I made 6 chains. Now I'm going to do the Tunisian as I told you. I go in the second one, pull up a stitch, go in the next one, pull up another stitch, and the next one, pull up a stitch from every chain. Now the first one I'm going to slip it alone, then I'm going to slip all the time 2 together. Again I go here, I pull up a stitch like I showed you before. This is for making the handles, as I told you. I slip 1, then 2 together, and I continue like that, and I should have 100 rows. You start again, you pull up a stitch from every stitch that you have here, then 1, then all the time 2 together, and you continue until you have in all 100 rows. When you count them here, you have 100 rows. You continue like that. Now we're going to attach them here. We're going to attach the other handle, and we're going to attach it on this side now. These are already ready. These are ready here. Then I will trim all the extra here. These are ready here. I made the 100 rows. I made 100 rows. You do as much as you think, how long you think you want the handles to be. I made 100. And I'm going to use a needle to make them. I check this one how large I made it. I made it like this, and I'm going to do it the same. So we put this right side facing right side, as I'm doing here. We pull it from here, and we're going to attach it here. I will also put here, I will show you what I will put here so it stays here, and they become more firm. When I do this, they become more firm. So we're going to do stitches here, sew them here, sew them here. I will show you how to do it. I am going to put this rope here in the middle here. I will put it over here, I will put this rope, and then I will crochet it like this. But first I'm going to show you how to make this. I'm going to put this over here. We can put this inside too so it doesn't show. We see the length of the other one is the same. We'll put it over here, we take the sewing needle here, and I'm going to sew the first one. I do it like this, and you sew it in place so it doesn't move. You continue sewing it until here, this one. Then you do the same, this one you put it in the middle here. You do the same here. You see the length, you put it over here, you turn it, you put it in here as we did the other one. Over here like we did the other one. You see the length, and you sew it the same. And this one you put it in the middle, and then I show you how to close it. These are ready. As you can see, I attach them here, this one and this one. These are both ready. Now we're going to close here, and we're going to close them. Start from here. We're going to close here and here with crochet. So you take the thread, you start from here. We're going to close with a single crochet like that. Make another one. We turn the thread like this, we turn it like this, we put the rope inside, and we close. We make a single crochet, all around. Until we close them. So you continue making a single crochet all around, always leaving the rope here inside, and you continue closing it with a single crochet or double crochet, how you call it. You continue all around. And these are the final result, how the handles come. As you have seen, it's not difficult to make. As I told you before, this is the video of the bag too, for those who want to make the bag. I have a link, there will be a link at the end of this video to make it. And this is the video of the handles. Hope that you understood what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.